Krishna performs his pastimes and devotees become so joyful. And seeing his devotees enjoying their joy, Krishna also becomes joyful. In order to give them the enjoyment, Krishna performs his pastimes, and making his devotees joyful, Krishna enjoys himself. That is the loving exchange. That is Vrindavan, the place of love. And in Navadvip, the same Krishna, as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, is distributing that Krishna Prem. In Vrindavan, Krishna is experiencing Krishna Prem. And in Navadvip, here, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is distributing that Krishna. Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate. Pradayate, he is distributing that Krishna Prema. In this respect, there is a very beautiful anecdote. It is a colloquial anecdote from Vrindavan. That one day Radharani went to Nandagram, Krishna, in the house of Nanda Maharaj. She was very happy to see him. So at the end, when she was about to leave, Nanda Maharaj asked her, "So, Lali, how did you like your stay in Braj?" She said, "Everything was fine, but there is one thing that kind of made me feel a little unhappy." "Oh, in Braj you felt unhappy. What happened? What is that?" She said, "You see, Krishna was distributing his prasad to everybody, and only those who had pots got the prasad." In Hindi or in Braj and Sanskrit also, the pot is called patra. Patra. So those who had pots, they could have Krishna's mercy. And those who did not, they had to leave and somehow get some pot in order to get the mercy. He said, why this consideration? Why he is not giving his mercy to everyone? So Nanda Maharaj called Krishna. Radhika is dissatisfied. Why? What happened? That you are giving your mercy to those who had the patra. Actually, the real meaning is patrata. Patrata means qualification. So Krishna is giving mercy to those who are qualified. Those who are not qualified, Krishna is not giving his mercy. Therefore Krishna said, okay, fine. In my next pastimes, in Navadvip, I will give my mercy to anyone and everyone without any consideration of qualification. So that is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna is distributing his mercy without any consideration of one's qualification. So that is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahavadanya, Namo Mahavadanya. যোগ্যতা বিচারে কিছু নাহি পাই তোমারও করুণা সার. As far as my qualification is concerned, I don't have anything. I don't have any qualification whatsoever. All I am relying on, all I am depending on is your mercy. So that is the mood of a devotee. And in this incarnation, in this appearance, Krishna is extremely merciful, extremely magnanimous.